Good morning, wonderful independent study students. I thought I'd share a brief video to talk about the process for an outline. And I thought I'd start with a very simple topic, food that I eat during the day. This is the title of my paper. So now I'm going to think about what would be my topics here for this paper. Well, I would probably start with breakfast. That is a good topic. And considering this logic, now I need to add lunch, and then I'm going to add dinner. Now, if I'm like many of you, let's break that down a little bit. Maybe I also have mid-morning snack, and then I have an afternoon snack. Notice the Roman numerals here on the left. That's how I begin and get my bigger topics. Then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to go a little bit more detailed. And my headings then move on to capital letters. I had 2 eggs, I had bacon, I had an English muffin, and I had some coffee, milk. Mid-morning snack, let's say with that I had a protein bar. At lunch, I had a chicken salad wrap, chips, I drink some water. I don't need that one. Afternoon snack, I had an apple, and then at dinner time I had spaghetti, the salad. Notice with this, I've got my Roman numerals start my big topics, and then I have capital letters here. Now if I wanted to break it down even further, then I'm going to then go back to ordinal numbers. And here I might have written scrambled, because that's how I like my eggs. Or with English muffin, I wanted to include butter. Notice the more specific I get, the further into my outline I go. Okay? If I wanted to add something here, maybe I add mayo. If I wanted to talk about kind of chips or barbecue. So hopefully this kind of shows you a little bit sort of the breakdown with the outline for how the ordering goes. Now, if we take this to our online instruction, and we'll go here in the outline instruction with the explanation with this item right here, when you click on it, I've broken down for you the steps for how this outline should be composed. You've got background information, your introduction, your thesis, and then your main points. Now, if you notice here with main point 1, main point 2, main point 3, where do you think these main points come from? That's right. Think about your prospectus. And in one of the body paragraphs of your prospectus, I believe paragraph 2, you had to give me at least 3 main points for your argument. That's where these main points are coming from. That's right, you guessed right. What you're going to be adding now is more information here for what those arguments are. And where do you think that information might come from? I would suggest go back and look at your summaries and your analysis for each of your articles. That's where you started to put down this research to help your main points. Background information, you should have annotations in your notes for your articles about where the background information is. Your thesis, you've already written that. That's coming from your prospectus as well. So a lot of this information you're going to be putting in this outline form you've already completed in your prospectus and in your analysis and your summaries for each of your articles. The stronger those were, the easier it will be to do your outline. I hope these points help out as you're working on this next step. Notice the outline will be due tomorrow, Wednesday, April 15th. Good luck.